Building in Web3 is like building a house in a new exciting neighborhood. You have tons of creative freedom, but you also need to make sure your house is built according to the rules of the neighborhood. Those rules are the regulations that govern Web3 development, and they are constantly evolving. Imagine you're building a decentralized application to help people trade cryptocurrencies. You'll need to make sure your D-app complies with anti-money laundering and know your customer regulations. This means verifying the identities of your users and monitoring transactions for suspicious activity. You'll also need to be aware of data protection and privacy law, like the General Data Protection Regulation in Europe. This means being careful about how you collect and store user data and giving them control over their information. And if your decentralized app involves issuing tokens, you'll need to navigate securities laws, which can be complex and vary from country to country. Staying up to date on these regulations is crucial for Web3 developers. You can do this by following regulatory bodies, attending industry events, and consulting with legal experts. Navigating regulatory compliance can be challenging, but it's essential for building a sustainable and trustworthy Web3 ecosystem. By understanding the rules of the neighborhood and building your decentralized app responsibly, you can create a secure and innovative project that benefits everyone.